Well, today's recipe is a chicken ishtu from Kerala, and this one is closest to the English stews or the Bengali stews or a chicken mud from North Carolina, which is a mixture of chicken and cream and salt and pepper and other ingredients. But this one is our classic from Kerala. Let's go. This possibly is one of the easiest recipes of a chicken stew. Well, this one begins with oil. We throw in some spices, we throw in some vegetables, we throw in some chicken. We kind of cook this in a very thin coconut milk. Then once the chicken gets cooked, we kind of lace it up with thick coconut cream. And that's where the recipe ends. Let's see how it's made. First things first, let's begin the recipe with vegetable oil and allow this to heat up. Let's begin with adding Garam Masala, beginning with green cardamom cloves and cinnamon. Once the whole spices just kind of begin to splutter, I'm going to add in juliennes of ginger and whole green chilies. Saute this well. And let's add in the vegetables. Some carrots, some peas, and along with this, some potatoes. The potatoes need to be cut and kept in cold water. Stir this well and saute for around 4 to 5 minutes till the carrots and potatoes just kind of begin to cook. Once they are like half done or 3/4 done, that's when I'll be adding in the chicken. Stir all of this well and let's add in pieces of chicken. Now this is chicken thigh and leg, which is boneless and cut into little bits. Stir this well and add in thin coconut milk. Along with this, salt as required. Give this a quick stir and allow this to cook on medium flame for at least 10 minutes till the chicken, potatoes, carrots and peas are perfectly cooked. While this is getting cooked, let me also quickly add in a generous pinch of Garam Masala powder and along with this, a generous pinch of black pepper powder. Let's give this a quick stir and like I said, let this cook. A vegetable stew and a chicken stew has quite an overlap in terms of flavor and ingredients. Well, primarily the difference is in a vegetable stew, you throw in a lot of vegetables, and in the chicken stew, there are no vegetables, generally. But me being me, I love vegetables in this stew. So I'm adding in all the vegetables exactly the way I would add in a vegetable stew, and that's where I'm adding in the chicken. In case you don't like your vegetables, try this only with potatoes. It turns out wonderfully well. Let's take this to the next level and add in coconut cream or coconut milk, which is thick. Let's do that. Let's give all of this a quick stir. The potatoes have wonderfully cooked. So has the carrot. The chicken is cooked. The peas are cooked. Time to lower the flame and add in thick coconut milk. Let's give this a quick stir. And with this, off goes the flame. Let's move on to the next step, and that is creating a tempering. And in this case, I'm using coconut oil. Let's begin. And once this heats up, let's begin with mustard seeds. Once these begin to splutter, I'll add in curry leaves. And along with this, sliced shallots. Mix this well and allow the shallots to get fried till they just kind of begin to turn golden brown in color. Even lightly golden brown in color is just perfect. Our onions are beautifully fried and ready. With this off goes the flame and the tempering straight gets transferred into the stew. Let's give this a quick mix, and with this your chicken stew is done and ready. With this, our absolute flavor punch Chicken Ishtu is done and ready. Now you can have this with idiyappams, you can have this with appams, you can have this with rice, or you can just have it like a stew by itself. On that note, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to get Curried, and for more such quick, simple, easy, wonderfully fantastic and flavorful recipes, stay tuned. Bye.